All right, drink we're about to make is electric lemonade number 1. And first we will add some ice to our glass here. And we'll measure out 1 shot of light rum. Follow that up with 1 shot of blue curacao. And next we will add a shot of sour mix. And also go ahead and fill it up with lemon lime soda. Now I'll mix this together real well. We've got a nice electric blue color. So if you want a drink that will accent your eyes, maybe you'll have this drink. Try to attract a lucky person. There we go. Should have a nice lemonade flavor to it. Let's go ahead and grab a Collins glass and pour it in. Add a straw. And bottoms up.